Hi everyone, to all who are new, my name is Mannat and welcome to my YouTube channel. So firstly, I would like to do the shout out. So the winner for the shout out is Bhavya. Thank you so much Bhavya for commenting. Before I start with the introduction of the DIYs, uh, when I was making the desk organization like DIYs, I thought that I'll mix a desk organizer and best out of waste. That means I'll make a desk organizer using waste materials. Desk organizer is a separate thing and best out of waste is a separate thing. So I'll make a different video for desk organizer and a different video for best out of waste. So here is the video for desk organization. I don't think that I'll be making best out of waste DIYs because I already have planned for the July month. So yeah, let's see what happens. I'll inform you guys or I'll ask you guys by doing a community post. Please make sure to vote there. So coming on to the introduction for desk organizers. So I have all my desk organizers on my table there. So the first one is the Nutella or the Nutella desk organizer. I don't know its exact pronunciation, but I would like to say it Nutella, whatever it is. So I took printout for making this. If you are good at drawing, then you can of course draw it. So it totally depends on you again. So our second desk organizer or the pen stand or the pen holder is a rainbow desk organizers. I always wanted to make at least one desk organizer, that too of rainbow, and yeah, I finally made it. I am so happy that I made it. I can say that I made the rainbow one from waste materials. When you will see the video you will understand, don't worry. Okay, so this was about the rainbow one. The third one I made is a YouTube icon desk organizer, I should say. So I made it with foam sheet. If you don't have a foam sheet, what you can do is you can just paste the cardboards. I took 10 into 10 centimeters of cardboard. I would write everything is given in the description, the dimensions, the material requirements. So you make sure to visit the description. So if you don't have a foam sheet, then you can make the YouTube icon play, but so if you don't have a foam sheet, then you can make the YouTube icon desk organizers by simply pasting the cardboards and painting it with red watercolor or acrylic colors. So yeah, that's also a good idea. Or you can paste the red scrapbooking paper or the normal color paper or craft papers. So the fourth one is a pencil desk organizer, a pencil shaped desk organizer. It has two columns in it, and the dimensions for that desk organizer will be in the description. So yeah, no worries, you can just go and check the description. And let's get started with today's video. So for making the first desk organizer, you have to take a tin and color it with brown paint. Now take a cardboard and paste the Nutella printouts on it. Here I am using white glue. You can use any glue for pasting it. You can even use double-sided tape or the hot glue. So yeah, our first desk organizer is ready. So for the next desk organizer, you will be needing cardboard of 10 into 10 centimeters and foam sheet. If you don't have a foam sheet, you can use color papers or you can even paint it. Here I am using the hot glue gun for pasting the cardboard pieces. After you are done pasting the cardboard pieces, paste the foam sheet on it. Our second desk organizer is also ready. Coming on to the third desk organizer, which is a beautiful rainbow desk organizer. I made it with waste materials. I took notebook covers for making it, and I also used ice cream cups. So here again I took the printout of rainbow. You can also draw it using compass. I am coloring the rainbow with brush pens. So here are the notebook covers, and paste your rainbow on it. These are the ice cream cups. and your third desk organizer is also ready. Coming on to the fourth one, it's a pencil shaped desk organizer. It is beautiful, it is in black color. Moreover, it has two columns, and here are the cardboard pieces with the dimensions. The dimensions are also given in the description, so if you want you can go and check it out. So we are done pasting the cardboards. Now it's time to do the finishing. And our fourth and the last desk organizer is also ready. I hope you guys enjoyed watching all the 4 desk organizers. So after the first shout out, I got so many comments for the shout outs. And yes, I am waiting for your comments. Please comment down below. Also give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, thanks for watching.